see where we got. Well, we got dumpster electric. Waste Masters, you like that? All right, Waste Masters. Replaces clean dumpsters.
Dumpsters.
Yep. And,
Yes.
From this side. What else we got? Locksmiths. So locksmiths and people with dumpsters. Oh, dear.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. It'll all work out. Wait and see.
We got a busy day today.
We got a busy day today.
That's what I said.
Oh, I thought I heard it somewhere.
All right. I gotta finish grinding these keys for those locks that we're replacing down here. Will you feed the ferret? He is starving.
He does duck impressions too. Very valuable ferret.
All right, I'm gonna just grind this key now. Let me buff it. Actually, I just like to hold it over a 10,000 degree flame. It anneals the key permanently. Yeah. Now I dip it in the water bath. I have a perfectly ground, carved, annealed key.
Excellent.
Impossible to break.
Hey, listen. We were supposed to go over to Old Man Fenster's.
Oh, Fenster.
He wants us to take all his garbage away, and he's also locked himself out of the house.
Well.
So he was going to call and tell us when to come over.
Oh, he's got those big dumpsters. We're going to have to take the supersized truck.
So he should be calling any second now. That may be him. Hello? And how's Charlie Brown? All right, so we'll be over right away. We'll get the door open. We'll leave the key under the mat. Hey, man, we're helping you out. Chill. Oh, yeah. How did you know I was away from the phone?
You're Skyping.
Oh. All right, we'll be right over. Man, those samurai.
I never understand a word he's saying. I'm glad you always answer the phone when he calls.
I know, I just...
All right, I got the keys. I better take some blank keys and our portable key grinding so we can reset his locks.
All right.
All right, let me just put this in the case. Take some keys. And keep them wrapped in felt.
Yeah. Don't scratch them.
Yeah, I don't like them to be scratched until they've been annealed, and then you can't scratch them. All right, I got that.
Mr. Fenster's in a bad neighborhood. I'm just going to take my scary person repellent.
Okay.
In the midst of this noise, it just scares them all away.
It's not that scary.
I've never heard anything more terrifying in my life.
Well, I've got a little, electric taser.
That was right on my nipple.
This one's a little more powerful. It's actually a cattle prod.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, bring that.
Yeah. It's made by the company that does tornado drills.
Really?
Yeah. So it's guaranteed to work.
Yes.
All right, I got my key grinder, I got my cattle prod, I got my keys. Let's just put this stuff in the back of the
You know
truck.
what? The back of the truck's really dirty from the last...
Oh,
all right, I'm just going
I
to walk...
forgot to clean it yesterday.
I just use the high-powered hose here.
All right, let me put this.
Did we pay the one?
We did, but we have carbonated water. It's cheaper. I combined our water and our gas bills. I'm gonna get the rest of the remnants out. I have the leaf blower. I'll just blow out the back of the truck. unbelievable French circus, Cirque de No Way. Everything is hard to believe.
Really?
Day elephant.
I bet they have unicorns.
Yep. All right, back the truck's clean. My tools are in the cab. Start her up.
Wait,
What?
I'd like to do the ceremonial honking before we take off on our journey.
I like this horn better. Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship
You are such a
Enterprise.
nerd.
Its 5-year mission to boldly go where no man has gone before.
No person.
All right, I think we're ready with all our folderol. Here we go.
I'll never buy Barry White motors again.
They've got a nice growl, but battery runs down very easily. All right, I'll get out and charge it with the generator. Get the cables. This. Turn on the generator. Hold on.
You okay? Stop. But don't point this way.
That's why I keep the keys in belt. I don't want to spark.
Let me see.
Backdraft. It's awful.
Let me see if I can get the engine going.
Hold on, I haven't turned on the generator yet. I got waylaid, as it were.
Yeah.
All right. Little cat sweeping a broom. Wait, I didn't realize we had a custodial cat.
I didn't either. It's one too many, if you ask me.
Let me turn on the generator. Start the truck. All right?
Allergies. All right, she's
Oh, it's on.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's on.
Here we go.
That's a nice, quiet ride from now on.
It's a hybrid.
Yeah. There goes the old tugboat. Beep. Look, an eagle.
What's that in his mouth?
A parrot. Oh, that's a bad sign.
Must have caught him coming out of the bird warehouse.
Yeah. Well, there's more birds.
Those eagles just wait by the dock door. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Well, I better turn on the GPS. This program is so good. Sorry, this is my old Pac-Man game.
Oh,
My brother.
I'm gonna say,
Yeah.
turn left at the strawberry and follow the blue ghost till you get to the town.
Hey, how about a little music?
Yes, please.
I just put, hey, mind if I put on one of your Beatles CDs?
Put it in.
All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love.
Man, were they overrated.
No kidding.
Keep the whole song going.
Yeah. Man, I mean, they only had like what, 70 or 80 hits, but the rest of their stuff was crap.
Yeah. Hey, there's Mr. Fenster's house. You can tell by the rooster. The drunk rooster.
Yep. never know when it's off or not.
Now we're not moving, so I guess we're done. Man, look at all the trash he has that we have
Oh,
to
you
look
could at least put it in the dumpster.
Yeah.
You gotta pick it all up, too. Well, luckily I have that giant Zamboni that we converted into a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, yeah, I
Back in the
forgot.
truck. Well, I don't like to bend over and pick everything up. It hurts my back, so I can just sort of drive this giant sucking device. All right, let me lower it off the back of the truck. All right. Let me turn it on.
Hurry, the wind's picking up.
Oh, yeah, I don't want all this trash blowing around. Okay, let me go. Turn on the main sucker.
Oh, wait. Oh, you pulled out some electric wires there. What? Man, you really pissed off Curly.
The hell did I run over?
The transformer box? I don't know that. Well, it's starting a bit of a fire.
Oh. Electrical fire.
What? I thought the garbage was catching on fire. I better call 911. Or 76645. Yeah, there's a fire at the Fenster house. Yeah. Listen, Junior, you stay calm. Wait, no, it's a fire. All right, can you help? All right. We're on our own.
Mrs. Fenster works at 911.
Oh, does she?
You basically just called her and told her her house is on fire.
Hopefully she'll decide to send someone over.
All right, well, the apartment building next door could catch on fire from the trash. I've got the bullhorn in the back of the truck. I'm going to alert anybody that might be in that apartment building to get out and evacuate.
All right.
Attention, everyone in the building, jump.
Tell me. Come on. This is serious.
Look, I know there's a fire. It's only a two-story building.
What's that? There's people in there.
All right, I'll be serious.
Really jump fast.
It's funny!
Can I ask you, why is your voice louder now than when it goes through the megaphone?
Go ahead and muffle. Here, you try it.
Everyone, get out of the building now.
That's how you do that. I know what, the fire's really starting to... Look, we're in front of Fenster sprinklers.
We better save it before...
Oh, that's all right, then. I was going to break into the house, turn on the sprinkler system, but it seems everything's fine.
Perfect, because they're heat activated.
Yep. Oh, you know, we were going
Put out
to...
the trash fire.
Yeah, we're going to make sure... Keith, does it fit his lock?
I don't know. He's a very vicious dog inside. I'm not going up to that door.
Yep. The dog sounds a little quizzical, but I don't think he's dangerous in any way.
All right, I'll use my lock tools to pick up. I did it. Told you.
Yeah, well, I didn't get you.
No, but I'm not doing the keys. There you go.
I had dog go sleepy. New from Oriel.
Oh. Dog go sleepy.
Yeah, what's this? This is perfect.
Do they have wife go sleepy? Just sometimes at the end of the day.
Try it. You know what, the best thing, like all the garbage just went up in flames. We're done. We got the key to the house.
Dog's asleep. The key's in the lock. We can call him and tell him it's there. The trash burned up. Let me just put the vacuum
Zamboni?
Zamboni.
The dog's still awake. I love that.
Don't let him out.
You know what? This is one of the rare days where everything actually worked out.
This was a perfect day.
Hours of work through fire?
Yeah.
What's that?
Open fences down a well?
Which well? That one? All right. Thanks.
Old Man Finster, you down there? All right, well, we'll hoist you back up. Sit in the bucket. I don't know why you had a 10,000-foot well
I
done.
don't know. I'm just gonna put it on automatic.
Okay. Should have worn a helmet.
Yeah.
Like Columbia all over again.
Oh. Just give him the bill.
Yeah. Look at the two of them sleeping there, him and his dogs.
Thank you.
Well, you're right. This is a perfect day.
Hey, you want a beer?
I would love a beer.
Nice catch.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Thank you.
You look like Pacino in Scarface.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Let me show you a real burp. I'm gonna open this beer, chug this burp, and let out a
Chug a burp?
chug this beer, and let out a belch that you will not believe.
All right. Hey, you saw that thing where you chug your beer, you burp, then you yodel, then you do the scales up and down, and then you yodel again.
Yeah, the musical scales.
Yeah.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's called burpodal scaling.
I
I will chug this beer. It's a technical term.
I did not
Yeah,
know.
yeah. I will chug this beer, then I will burp very loudly,
Yeah.
followed by a long yodel,
Yeah.
followed by scales, and then I might burp a little more as well.
All right. I have $100. Says you can't do it.
Say goodbye to that money, my friend.
All right. I'm gonna take back 20 right now.
You didn't say that I had to open the beer can with a flourish. Come on. All right.
Goofy is my favorite character.
That's the burp.
Yeah.